Hi, my name is Caitlin Berta,
I am Melanie August.
and we're here to present our lesson, Wired to Respond, the Science of Sensory Systems and AI. So basically, we are putting together a lesson that is going to cover all of the things about the nervous system, but also talk about how AI and the nervous system are very similar. This was inspired by my work this summer with Dr. Benjamin Nye over at the University of South California Institute for Creative Technologies. And he works on AI systems that can foster lifelong learning and things that will help education to be more interactive, but also more independent.
Okay, so the first thing we have is the engage section of the lesson. And in this engage section, one of the activities is for the students to watch a nervous system video, science track from PBS. In this video, they'll learn some trivia and they'll also practice some vocabulary. At the end of the video, students can participate in teams to work through trivia questions that come from the video. Those questions are linked in the document, as well as links to the game platform Kahoot or Blooket if the teacher chooses not to do the questions verbally.
And for the AI section of this, as part of the Engage, the students are actually going to model building a neural network using some index cards and some instructions from the teacher about different animals and characteristics of those animals. Students are also going to be engaged with looking at a video of Waymo cars, which are a self-driving AI-powered car. And they're also going to design their own self-driving AI-powered car as kind of like a thought experiment to get them engaged with the content. As part of Explore, there are 6 stations that they are going to engage in. 4 of them are going to look at different senses that we can engage with, like reaction time, sight, sound, and then touch. Then we're also going to look at how different species are going to sense differently. And then also at the very end, they're going to put all of this together to learn about how machines sense and learn using Google Quick Draw and also some other AI tools that are in the lesson plan.
Moving from there, we'll go into the explain section of the lesson. Students in this section will make a vocabulary game using the Kahoot or Blooket app to input their vocabulary that they have been learning about. Those vocabulary are also linked in the document, and the students can use those as a starting board. At the end, they will be able to create a neuron using art supplies from the classroom. Those supplies are also listed in the document.
And as an optional activity, there is a Circle of Nerves lab that can be used here as well for kids to explore how our nervous systems interact and work together. For Elaborate, students are going to be using a chatbot that is developed in AI, that is a custom-made chatbot, to research common diseases of the nervous system. And they are going to be given a disease description and not the name, and they have to use this chatbot to discover what disease they actually are going to be ending up researching. They will end up making a presentation of their findings. And then for evaluation, to circle back to AI, they're going to be putting together all of their information that they know about AI and the nervous system to code a bot that uses Teachable Machine, which is an online free platform that students can use. They're going to share their work with others and compare and contrast their work. And they're going to bring it all together in a presentation that goes over neural networks, human nervous system, and how machines sense and learn to wrap up this unit. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy.